Welcome guys to my brand new training video. In this video I want to give you free access to a bonus without any strings attached. And the bonus is the secret of making multiple 7 figures using email traffic. As you know, all the top internet gurus are making millions and millions of dollars online promoting other people's products, whether it's with Clickbank, JVZoo, Digistore24, or their own product and system. And one of the advantages all these people have is they have a massive gigantic list of subscribers. So they press one button and that email goes out to hundreds of thousands of people and they get unlimited traffic overnight, unlimited sales overnight. Now the question comes, how do you build a list? Okay, how do you get traffic? Where do you get traffic from? What is the traffic source? How can you start sending good emails? How can you make sure you can get these emails straight into the inbox? How can you do all of this and make multiple 4 figures, 5 figures, 6 figures, and even 7 figures from the comfort of your home using the internet? So in this video I'm going to give you free access to this bonus, free access to this system, free access to this machine, where you can go through the training step by step, learn how to make 7 figures with simple emails, sending emails, and make multiple 4, 5, 6 figures online. And this works with affiliate marketing, this works with products, courses, this works with everything out there. So there's nothing here that I'm about to share. I just want to share this one free product and system that I'm giving away absolutely free of charge, and it's a bonus from my side. Go through the training, go through everything, learn it, implement it. If you just learn and don't implement, nothing's going to happen. You need to learn and implement everything. What am I talking about? Let me just show you the bonus that I'm about to give you. Okay, so this is the bonus. I'm about to give you this bonus created by a 7-figure internet marketer who's getting hundreds of thousands of clicks to his offers, to his affiliate offers every single month. And he's a guru in the internet marketing space, generating millions of dollars online, and he has created a free program where you can make money and 7 figures by sending out simple emails. So you just need to go through all this training here where he teaches you everything step by step how to make money online. All right, and if you implement what you're going to learn in this free bonus, free course, guess what? Your life is never going to be the same again. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop up the link for this on the video. I am also going to have the link for this in my description box below this video, and I'm also going to pin the link for this in the comment section box below this video. Just click on it, check it out. It's absolutely free. There's nothing to buy here. You just need to watch these videos, okay, and start implementing what you learn and start taking massive action. Remember, massive action takers always win, and they are the people who always make money. Most people don't make money because they don't do anything about it. They learn, but they just leave it on the side. They say they're going to do it tomorrow, and that tomorrow never comes, okay, and they just keep on holding it back until 1 year, 2 years, 3 years go past, and then they complain and they blame other people. Remember, system works, people fail. Okay, so you need to understand this, that whatever you learn, you need to take action, you need to implement it if you're really serious about changing your life. I'm going to have the link in the description box and in the comment section box below this video. Click on it, watch one video one by one, and this is going to give you a lot of haha moments. Yes, this guy is a 7-figure marketer, and in this training video he does teach how to make 7 figures with simple emails, sending out simple emails, how to get traffic, how to do a lot of cool stuff. All right, so that's all for now. This is a bonus from my side. Go ahead, take this bonus, and you're going to love it, and you're going to thank me later for this.